Welcome viewers, good day, Merry Christmas to you. So let us take the fourth part of the Santa Claus dress. It is belt. As I told you earlier, I am taking the estimated measurement 13 or 14. As I told you, the Santa which I have got at my home, its waist size was 13 and I am going to make it 14. Okay, let us start with black wool. This is Oswald wool and I am going to crochet it. Same crochet I will be using in the whole episodes of videos. So let us take, as we have to make width of only 1 inch, so we'll make 4 or 5 double crochet. I think it will be enough for 1 inch width. Let us see. 1, 2 chains, 3 chains, 4 chains, 5, 6. Let us turn to make double crochet. 1, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet. I think it's enough for 1 inch. Let us see. No, it's less. 1 more double crochet we should make. This is 5th double crochet. Sorry, I have forgotten to take the loop of yarn over. This is yarn over. Now I will make a 5th double crochet. Now raise the length, 2 chains, turn the crochet, second row, again 2 double crochet. We have to make 5, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, and this is 5th double crochet. Again we return, make 2 chains, third row, make double crochet. This is the 2nd double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 double crochet in each row we will make, and we will get length of 13 inches. Then we will finish it and I will come to you. I am doing it off the camera. I have completed the belt part with black wool. It was supposed to be of 13 or 14 inches in between. Let us see whether it is of full measurement or not. 13, 14, 15. So reduce it by one row only. This is exactly 14 inches. I have to apply it on waist of Santa and I'll tie it with Velcro. I'm not going to put any button or anything. This is the Santa's belt ready for use. I'm making wear Santa the belt.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy